Increasingly, natural water resources such as groundwater, rivers, and lakes have become compromised regarding its quality and safety due to the chemical and microorganism contamination. Therefore, it is not difficult to realize that water has become a precious natural and renewable resource which would carefully require proper management. Due to the climate change and the environmental degradation, future routine practices in the food industry which might be currently taken for granted could be seriously affected by the ever increasing water scarcity. This is because a greater volume of water is used during cleaning and hygiene process, either for personal or for food manufacturing daily routines. In the food industries, many operational practices involve the use of water. Moreover, water saving strategies can also bring both environmental and financial benefits to businesses. On the other hand, resources saving practices are reflected in long term cost reduction practice. Moreover, consumer pressure on the sustainability of food production has also been forcing manufacturers to adopt a more sustainable approach to production. In turn, food manufacturers have started to consider a long term water sustainability measures, which on the other hand also strengthen their marketing relationship strategies. Here are some critical challenges that we can face. First one is the decreasing operational cost. Any community organization will always have a serious financial problem. In order to produce money, businesses often have to spend money. Thus, many of them look for ways to reducing operating costs. Lower power consumption, the use of fewer or less expensive processed ingredients, or lower labor expenses could all help to cut those costs. In addition to the accompanying operating expenses for an effluent treatment system, this could result in less frequent maintenance and lower disposal costs. Then comes the stricter environmental regulation. The number of dangerous contaminants released into the world sea is declining as environmental protection is promoted more and more. The allowable concentration of these contaminants are constantly declining as wastewater authority continue to add contaminants, releasing pollutants into our rivers that are later shown to be detrimental to both human health, plants, and animal life. Wastewater should be managed in accordance with the following order, that is avoidance, reuse, recycling, recover of energy, contaminant, and disposal. As the hierarchy shows, the best way to manage wastewater is to avoid producing it. Reusing or recycling wastewater are the next preferred option. However, this may involve treatment. Disposal is the last and the least preferred option. SDGs. Wastewater management has the capacity to produce renewable energy. Wastewater is a rich source of methane, a powerful greenhouse gas that burns more cleaner than fossil fuels such as coal. Proper wastewater management can collect enough methane that can be turned into energy. Furthermore, the establishment of gas to energy plants will create more jobs and spur economic development. According to the Energy Vision, a sustainable transportation non-government organization converting human waste into renewable natural resources or biomethane can help save up to 7 billion gallons of diesel every year. The sixth goal of sustainability development, which is related to clean water and sanitation, focuses on improving water quality by reducing the amount of wastewater that is not treated and enhancing safe reuse and recycling globally. Through this, there will be more clean water available for the use of individual, which will also lead to huge process on sanitation and wastewater management. Considering the scarcity of these resources, clean water would never be available if the wastewater is not gathered, treated, reused, and disposed of adequately. As mentioned previously, regardless of its size, every country today needs reusing wastewater and putting it to the best possible use by all means. The wastewater treatment plant is essential to achieve 11 SDGs from the 17 SDGs. The main contribution of the wastewater treatment plant is coming from its capability on providing clean water and increasing water availability. Thank you.